So here we are with Miriam, and she's going to be drinking the castor oil mix. This is my client, and she's going to be doing this first time. This is designed to flush the colon and help the body to be ready for the new stuff. She's actually doing a decluttering of her intestinal system. So we decluttering with this castor oil mix of 4 ounces of castor oil, the juice of 1 organic lemon, and blackstrap molasses, also non-uncultured blackstrap molasses. So she's going to drink this. I like it in like nice stem glass because it's the best thing you can do for yourself. So we're going to watch her as she drink. Go ahead. Bottoms up. Awesome. You drink without, you taste it, you like?
Not too bad.
Not too bad, okay. Go ahead. You take this out. So drink it all the way. It's best to drink, instead of sipping it, drink it all the way. You enjoy the flavor? Mm-hmm. Okay, she's enjoying it. Mm-hmm. So this cleanse, as like I said earlier in part 2, it's designed to cleanse the system, the digestive tract. And at the end of this 10-day cleanse, it's called the Rejuvenate Daniel Cleanse, or Rejuvenate Detox Cleanse. It's designed to help stir it up some more so you can get all the castor oil at the bottom. Not the castor oil, the lemon and stuff at the bottom. The molasses at the bottom. It's designed to help cleanse the system. She's doing my Rejuvenate 90-day coaching program, and we are doing the cleanse in the middle of the day. All right, so it's all done. What you said? Salute? Salute. Okay. So the next step in this cleanse is for us to go to this blender here and blend lemon. We put the lemon in. We're going to do a touch of cayenne pepper and some maple syrup. And we're actually going to make the lemonade similar to what you use for the master cleanse. And she's going to drink this in about an hour afterwards. So I'm going to come back with part 4 and show you how drinking this process. And as we go down, we talk a little bit more about how this cleanse is going to be able to impact her life. It's something that you can definitely do yourself. If you'd like to get a free ebook and probably a free strategy session, please check the link below, and it will definitely help you to be able to get started with your own Rejuvenate cleanse, mimicking the Daniel cleanse, and I call it my detox plan cleanse. So I'll see you in a few minutes.